Hello friends, welcome back to my channel, that is Technical Knowledge with this Swapnil, and today I will show you one more video related to the KNIME, and this is related to the manipulation. So let's say if you have data, okay, but before that, if you have not watched my previous video, I have explained about how you can get the data, free data for the practices purpose. So you can check it out. I will add link in the description. Okay, so for this video, I have a CSV file which has near about 3, 5, 4, 7 records and 11 columns. Okay, so now if you observe, carefully observe, date is in string format, but what if I want this particular date should be in a local currency or a date format only? I don't want in a string format. So we have different nodes to convert that, but why to waste time on that, because you have to do some certain operations. But if you apply particular one node only, then it will be very easy, and you can change multiple columns data types as and when required, or if you have any requirement. So for that, what you have to do is you have to use a table manipulator. Okay, it manipulate data, it change the data types of the data. Okay, so or if you want to make an rename something, then that also you can do. So for my purpose, my date column is in a string format, so I want this should be here are the different types. So I want this to be in a local date, not the time. I want it should be only on a local date. Okay, so I have changed. Okay, does it change? Okay, yeah, it date is changed. And again, I will click on apply and okay, and if I play this, now you can check date is in a local format. Local date means the data type. Okay, let's say if you want to change this weekdays, let me check this week days sort, this should be in a string format. Consider it. If you want to change that, then you have to check for that name. Okay, this is the name, and from here you can change it to different formats like string. Let's say if we try for a string, yeah, this is a string, and you can say week number. Let's try to rename this. Okay, and just hit on apply. Okay, 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 now let's check. So the name has been changed, because you can rename also from here. Okay, week number, and it's currently it was in a number, but now it's in a string, and date, as always, date is converted to the local time or date format. Initially it was in a string. So this is how you can use the table manipulator to make the changes in your data and use data type or column rename. So this is very helpful if you are doing some projects on and other related stuff. Thank you.